Distinguished colleagues, we are now starting the first ever Talanoa.
Greetings on behalf of the Fijian COP23 President, our Prime Minister, Honorable Frank Bainimarama, and the rest of our team. I welcome you all.
We know that this is not the way we and our children and our children's children should be living our lives. To be living in constant anticipation for the worst under this present danger. A danger that will keep increasing as global temperature continues to rise. And this is where we are right now.
We know that for climate negotiators, this is their world championship, the negotiations here in Bonn, and greater ambition is the goal. And so what we're asking is for countries to strengthen their NDCs by 2020 and to send a clear signal at COP24 in Poland that they're going to do so as well.
This has been the key message from the COP23 presidency, that we need to exert all effort, and we don't have time to waste in working towards reaching the global goal of 1.5 degrees.